So I decided to build the Lego Diagon Alley Moc modular Weasley's Wizard Wheezes by Ministry of Making, and I've built the ground floor. But what does that actually get you? Well, outside it gets you the dark tan paving, which stretches around the shop, past a beautiful slanted curvular open bay window, and even down the side street, which leads to the foreboding Nocturne Alley. Around the rear of the property there is a handy back door, and above that door is a decorative lavender croissant. Inside this zany establishment, a plethora of colour is plastered all around the walls, with boxes of meddlesome merchandise stacked on the shelves, and there are even some love potions, which are located by the two shop entrances. A very precarious shelving unit offers even more manic and magical merchandise, and there is a till point at the centre underneath the staircase to complete your trickster transactions. Speaking of the stairs, this windy, whimsical staircase leads up to the first floor, but if you want to see what awaits you up there, then you're going to have to join me in part 2.